Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. Ugh, I hate underwear lines on a great pair of pants. Shapermint has got your back, literally. Not only are the lines gone, but my pants are even looser. I love that I can wear skirts now with no underwear lines, and I feel much more confident and relaxed in them. Shapermint is good for those silky dresses too. It holds me tight in all the right places. The size medium shaper shorts fit according to the measurement chart, and I appreciate the soft gripper waistband. Really, it's so soft on my skin. I wore it all day in 90-degree weather, and it was super comfy and breathable. Every single part is soft on your skin. So if you're looking for shaper shorts that are going to smooth out all the curves and even tighten you up in places where you need, you will love Shapermint. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.